9 of the 12 men who were wanted by the police for terrorism appeared in the Sparina Magistrates Court today, charged with the indictable offense, and were granted $300,000 bail each. They were also told to lodge their passports at the court and report to the Cove and John police station on the 14th of each month. The 9 were charged under the acts of terrorism contrary to Section 309A1B2 of the Criminal Law Offences Act, Chapter 801. Those charged are Mark Hercules, David Burke, Terence Adolphus, Ned, Anthony English, Keon Glasgow, Julian Peters, Troy McKinnon, Carlos Kingston, and Philip Burke. They all appeared before Magistrate Alicia George at the Sparina Magistrates Court this morning. It is alleged that the men on June 28, 2022, between Golden Grove, while being in the company of others, with intent to strike terror, used wood and other materials to block, burn, and damage the public road. Prior to the police instituting the charges against the men, the Guyana Police Force said the men were wanted for terror and mayhem unleashed on persons on the east coast of Demerara in June last year, during which several vehicles were burnt and a number of stalls were ransacked and looted at the Monrepo Market on the east coast of Demerara. It was also noted by the police that the roads were blocked by burning debris, and scores of persons were beaten and robbed during the acts of terror committed by the protesters. Philip Burke was represented by attorney at law UC Anderson, while the others were represented by attorney at law Dexter Todd and Dexter Smart from the Todd and Associates law firm. The matter was adjourned until February 28, 2023. The move comes almost 8 months after East Coast Demerara residents mounted a protest seeking justice for Quinton Bacchus, who was shot dead by police during an operation. Lance Corporal Christophe de Nobrega was subsequently charged and remanded to prison for the murder of Bacchus.